I like worship. Why? Because it is only in worship that we get to show our appreciation to God. He protects us, provides all our heart desires. And what do we give back to God in return? Nothing. The only thing we can give back to God in return is our praise and worship. So I don't joke with worship. I like worship. I like worship a lot. Worship is the time you have to give in your all to God. I'm here once again to give you some very important links you need to carry along anytime in your pocket to church. It's going to be very short, but I promise you it's going to be very helpful. I'm going to use a very simple song in the key of A from Ghana. Very beautiful song to praise, to worship God with. Ohine Yeshirawo Yetrontrumwo Asum Yehine Yeshirawo One cry, not is a one cry, not is a one cry, not is a Nani Ubinte say. The song simply means God, who is like you, who can be compared to you. What can be compared to you? The melody is very simple. So mimi fa re mi la do re ti do la do mi so mi fa re mi do re ti do la. I'm going to use that just the first part to teach you what I want to teach you today. Ohine, play A, first chord A. Ohine, this is a lick you have to carry in your pocket. So la so fi so do re mi. Ohine, so la so fi so do re mi. So simple. So la so fi so do re mi. Because the chord is still on one. Oh, you can do this. So ohine. Mi so mi mi. You can extend it. So la so fi so do re mi so mi mi. Mi so mi mi. Mi so do ti la so mi mi. Yes. On the same one, you can also play this. Ohine, you can go to the higher registers and play some beautiful licks like this. Ohine, ohine, ohine. ohine. So la so fi so la mi fa mi do la fa mi do la fa mi. Ohine Yeshirao to a soul, to a 5. You can play so mi fa re ti fa re ti la so mi so re. Ohine shirao Yeshirao. Yeah, trum go back to 6, F sharp minor. You can play mi la ti do ti la zi la mi fa mi mo mi re do ti la zi la. However you want to play. Back to 5, and on 5 you can play re fa zi ti re fa zi ti re ti zi fa re. You need to carry this readily in your pocket. Ohine Yeshirao Yetron trumo Asungehine Yeshirao. My name is Pastor Georgespratz, and you know me as Spratz. As usual, your favorite guitar teacher. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is the best time to do it. And let me remind you to press on the notification bell so that the moment we upload any new video, you don't miss it. Yes. In case you are looking for a one-on-one, one-line lessons or Zoom lesson with me, please pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. Many are doing it wherever you are on this continent. You can call, you can WhatsApp me, you can call me, you can text me. I will respond to them immediately. I set eyes on them. For the continuation, please meet me on Zoom. You see, just put the numbers rolling. And let's do it. There are so many important stuff. There are so many things you need to do. I'm going to demonstrate a little to you why you need to pick the numbers and then join me on Zoom. I promise you, you are going to have some interesting stuff from me. your comment, like it, and share. Leave your comment, like it, share. Please share. And please recommend our channel to others. Don't be selfish. Let others also watch and benefit from this. See you again and soon. Bye bye.